Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is greater to smaller. Greater to smaller, part 1. My dear students, today is our lecture number 8 of annual term. And today is our SW number 8 also. My dear students, before starting to our class, we need to know what is the greater to smaller form. We have already learned the smaller to greater form. Now we shall learn greater to smaller form. My dear students, here you notice some numbers 5, 9, 2, 6 and 8. Here 5 numbers are given. Here 5 numbers are given. They are 5, 9, 2, 6, 8. They are not arranged. They are not arranged. We arrange the number greater to smaller. That means at first we write the greatest number. After that we write the greatest number. After that we write the left greatest number. Okay. So let us start. Here 5, 9, 2, 6, 8. Among these 5 number, which number is greater? Greater number is 9. So I write 9 first. Okay. So 9 done. Next 5, 2, 6 and 8 left. Among these 4 number, which number is greater now? 5, 2, 6 or 8? It will be 8. And write 8. After that 8 done. And left 5, 2 and 6. Among these 3 number, which number is greater? 5, 2 or 6? 6. So I write here 6. Now I cut 6 because we have already used this. Now 2 number left, 5 and 2. Between these 2 number, which number is greater? 5 or 2? Yes, the number is 5. 5 is greater than 2. So next we write 5. Okay. Here 5 done and left 2. Now I write 2. My dear student, this is called the greater to smaller form. Greater to smaller form. Just like this form, we shall solve 2 questions. Here the question is arrange the following numbers from greater to smaller. Number 1 and number 2. My dear students, number 1 300, 459, 328, 450, 350. That means 5 number is given. We arrange the number is greater to smaller form. Here number 2 question is 345, 499, 310, 363 and 401. Here 5 numbers are also given. We arrange the number in greater to smaller form. So at first we solve question number 1. Here the numbers are 300, 459, 328, 450 and 350. My dear students, we have already learned write in numbers or write in words. So 401. Suppose this is a number and its ones place number is 1. Its ones place number is 1 and 0 is in tens place and 4 is in 100 place. For these reasons, we can read the number as 401 because tens place is 0. Tens place is 0. Here another one 325. Here 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place and 3 is in 100 place. And we read the number as 325. So, and we have already learned the digit from 0 to 9. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Among this number 9 is greater. Then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1 and then 0. By using this information, we can easily solve the question. That means we arrange the number in greater to a smaller form. My dear student, at first we make sure the places of the digit. That means here ones place, tens place and hundred place. 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 Here you notice 300. We find the greatest number among these 5 number. 300, 459, 328, 450, 350. My dear student, notice 300, 300, 300 and 400, 400. So, from these two number we can find the greatest number because 300, 300, 300 both are less than 400. So, between these two numbers, that means 459 and 450, between these two numbers which number is greater? 59 greater or 50 greater? I know that you are very smart learner. For this reason, we can easily understand that 459 is greater than 450. So, I write 459 at first because it is the greatest number among these 5 numbers. So, this number is done. Okay. Next, we shall follow the 4 numbers 300, 328, 450, 350. Among these 4 numbers, we notice that 450 is greater than 300, 300, 300. So, we write 450. Now, you notice and this one is done. Left 300, 328, 350. My dear student, notice this is 300, this is 328, this is 350. The among 3 number, which one is greater? 300, 28 or 50? That means both are 300, but tens place number is different. Here 2, here 5, here 0. So, which one is greater? So, 350 is greater. So, I write 350 as the greatest number among these 3 number, and left 300 and 328. Here 100 place is same, but tens place is different. Here 0, here 2. So, 2 is greater than 0. So, we can easily say that 328 is greater than 300. Now, we write 328. Okay. And this one is done, and left 300. So, 300 right last. Now, we check our answer is right or wrong. 459. Yes, this is greater. 450, 350, 328 and 300. So, this is done and our answer is correct. My dear students, after completing your solving question, you must check your answer is right or wrong. Okay. Number 2. Here 5 numbers are given: 345, 499, 310, 363 and 401. Among these 5 number, we need to find out the number which one is greater, because we need to arrange the number in greater to smaller form. So, let us here 100 place, tens place and ones place, 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 100 place, tens place and ones place. Here you notice, at first we notice the 100 place. Here 345, 499, 310, 363, 401. My dear students, 100 place. Here 3, here 4, here 3, here 3, here 4. Notice 4 is greater than 3. So, these two, 499 and 401 is greater than 345, 310 and 363. So, now we find which number is greater, 499 or 401. As the 100 place is same, so we take the tens place. Here tens place is 9, here tens place is 0. So, we can easily say that 9 is greater than 0 and this number is greater. That means 499. So, I write 499 first and this one is done. Okay. Between these two numbers, 499 is greater. Now, we find which number is greater. As this 100 place is 3, 100 place 3, 100 place 3, here 4. So, 4 is greater than among these 3, 3, 3. So, 401 is the next greatest number. Now, we write 401 and this one is done. Now, left 345, 310, 363. Here you notice the 100 place 3, 3, 3. So 100 place is same. Now we check the tens place. 45, 4, 1, 6. Here you notice 4, 1 and 6. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. So 363 is greater among these three numbers. That means 363 is greater than 310 and 345. So I write 363 then. It is done. Now two number left, 345 and 310. Between these two number, which number is greater? Here 100 place is same, 3 and 3, and tens place is 4 and 1. Between these two number 4 and 1, which one is greater? You must know the number 4 is greater than 1. So we can say 345 is greater than 310. So we write 345. Okay, 345 is done, and left 310, and it is the smallest number among these 5 number, 310. Now we shall check our answer is right or wrong. Here 499, 401, 363, 345, 310. Yes, my dear students, our answer is right because the number arranged in greater to a smaller form. I hope you have understood how to arrange number greater to a smaller if the questions give you the number which are not arranged. Okay, and this is our today's lecture, my dear student. This is your SW also, and this is SW number 8. My dear students, when you start to do your SW in your SW copy, you must write the SW number. This is called SW8. After that you write date. After that you write date. Then you write the heading, that means greater to smaller. After that you write questions. Here suppose the question is 300, 459, 328, 450 and 350, and right answer, then you write answer. Okay, and next on same, just like this you do your SW. Okay, my dear students, you have already known that SW is very important for our annual term, because based on your SW, CT marks and SBA marks will be given. So you must do your assign SW in your SW copy regularly and submit it regularly by your guardians or parents. So my dear students, your parents or any other person can submit your SW in our school library within 8 AM to 4 PM in every Sunday. And after completing 1 week, that means next Sunday, your guardians can collect this SW copy from our school library. Okay, your SW is checked properly by your subjective teachers. My dear students, your each SW carry 2 marks. Each SW carry 2 marks. So I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.